said we would.
Yeah. Today, I don't think we'll break any records, but it's still going to be very hot. Here's the look outside this morning, though. A pretty nice start. 47 in the North Valley, 58 in Sandia Park, 63 in Sunport. This is where we have our nicest temperatures of the day. So the earlier, the better for you. We do have some pretty warm stuff down into the south where we are still in the 70s. So you didn't really get as much of a cool down through the overnight as really from Albuquerque northward did. But as we go through the afternoon, what to expect? Hot and breezy again today, near records. Don't think we'll get to or break as many as we have the last couple of days. Still holding on to our high fire concerns and our chance for storms increasing. We are going to have to watch for some of that lightning with the very dry skies. That'll be something of concern as we get you into this afternoon and evening. But winds right now, the strongest off into our north and east. 15 miles an hour out of the north in Clayton, 17 in Raton, and through the day we'll have sustained winds about 10 to 20 miles an hour. You can see the pockets of blue kind of increasing into the late afternoon, early evening hours where we'll have the winds a little bit more widespread, but nothing too gusty or breezy today. Just a nice calm breeze. Now up to our north we do have some clouds as we move southward. Very clear skies. We'll have lots of sunshine, still hot, but today start some changes. We are going to see our next storm system start to wiggle into the northeastern corner, and this is going to bring us a chance for isolated storms. And again, mainly just to the north and east for today. So as we get you past 1 o'clock, you can see some of the spots of green here on the map. We could look for some dry thunderstorms, and like I just mentioned, something we don't need with that dry lightning. But by tomorrow, this front actually moves in a little bit more, and that's going to help spark the chance for more showers and storms. So the coverage a little bit more into our eastern plains and our north and east. And then an additional system moving in as we take you into the weekend. We'll have that front to the north and east again. This is actually going to bring us a good chance for some scattered showers, but it's also going to bring us some cooler temperatures. But today, nothing cool about it. We've got the hot 90s again. We'll see them by noon, 90 degrees right at our lunchtime hour, 97 degrees by 5 o'clock. So it is going to be that scorching day again. 97 for a high in Albuquerque. Record today, though, 100. So we're going to fall just shy of it, but definitely still getting pretty close. Lots of triple digits still as we make our way down towards the south. And look at Carlsbad today, almost to 110. We'll get to 108 today. Alamogordo, 104. So it is going to be a hot one. Still have that heat advisory down into our southern zones. That's going to last all the way through midnight on Saturday. But as we take you through the next couple of days, southern Colorado, sunny and warm with the mid 80s sticking around all week long and into the weekend. Into the north and west, mostly sunny, a west wind 10 to 20 miles an hour with the 90s all the way through the weekend. As we take you into the south and west, we'll have the extreme heat here, that heat advisory in place. TRC, Alamogordo, Las Cruces, Deming, all impacted by that. We'll get to about 95 in Silver City today. By Saturday, temperatures there in the upper 80s. As we take you into the south and east, lots of 90s, lots of triple digits. We talked about Carlsbad. You are the front runner today, all the way up to 108. So definitely dealing with some very high temperatures. And Roswell, 105. We'll keep the triple digits all the way through Saturday. But Sunday, a big drop. We'll be looking for highs in the 80s. In the northeast today, 70s and 80s for most. A few 90s in Santa Rosa, Conchas, and Tucumcari. We are going to see the chance for a spot shower or storm, and that will repeat tomorrow and into the weekend. By the weekend, we'll have highs in the 70s. Into the northern mountains, 70s and 80s for most. Angel Fire all the way up to 78 with a spot storm possible. We'll see the temperatures calming down by the weekend. Sunday back into the 70s. Then in the East Mountains today, sunny, a west wind 10 to 20 miles an hour. We'll get to 89 in Cedar Crest, 93 in Edgewood with the mid and upper 90s into the metro area. Still triple digits as we get you into Berlin. West wind 10 to 20 miles an hour. Then the weekend. I think this hopefully puts a smile on people's faces. Sunday back into the 80s. We'll get to about 88 degrees, but 90s for the next couple of days.
I'm just ear to ear grinning when you speak of 88
Poor
degrees.
people in Carlsbad, 108. Please be careful. Check on
Go
your
down to
neighbors.
the
Check on your
caverns. It's
elderly.
cool down there. Yeah, but no,
Find
you're
the
right.
pool.
You're serious.